Crypto wallets explained. Which one should you use? Let's start simple. A crypto wallet isn't a leather pouch or an app full of coins. It's a digital tool that stores something even more valuable: your private keys. Those keys prove you own the crypto. Lose them, and your money could be gone. Keep them safe, and you control your assets without needing a bank, company, or middleman. Crypto assets are risky and can lose value. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed advisor where appropriate. Most beginners think their coins live in their wallet, but that's not really true. The coins always live on the blockchain. Your wallet is just the tool that lets you interact with them. It holds your keys, signs your transactions, and lets you send or receive crypto safely. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They're quick and convenient for everyday use. Think of them like your day-to-day bank app: practical, fast, and perfect for smaller amounts. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline. They're built for maximum security. They're like a digital vault you keep disconnected unless you need it. Hot wallets include mobile apps like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, desktop tools like Exodus, or even browser extensions and exchange wallets. They're great for sending and receiving crypto regularly, but if someone hacks your phone or tricks you into clicking the wrong link, your funds can be at risk. Cold wallets include physical hardware devices like the Ledger Nano or Trezor. These devices store your keys offline, so even if your computer is infected or the internet goes down, your funds stay untouched. That's why cold wallets are a favorite among long-term investors and serious holders. Now let's talk about control and introduce a key idea: custodial versus non-custodial. If you're using a custodial wallet, someone else is holding your private keys. That usually means the crypto exchange where you bought your coins. It's easy. You just log in, buy, sell, and maybe even earn. But if something happens to that platform, like an outage, hack, or collapse, you might not be able to access your crypto. Non-custodial wallets put you in full control. You hold the private keys. No one can move your money, freeze your assets, or deny access. But here's the catch: if you lose your recovery phrase or your device, there's no customer service to help you get it back. Every non-custodial wallet gives you a secret recovery phrase, usually 12 or 24 words, when you first set it up. That phrase is your ultimate backup. It lets you recover your wallet if your phone is lost or your computer crashes. If someone else gets those words, they can take everything. So store your phrase offline, never share it, and protect it like your bank PIN and house keys rolled into one. You'll also get a public wallet address. That's what you give people to receive crypto. It's safe to share, it's how people send funds to you. But your private key or recovery phrase should always stay private. Period. So what wallet should you actually use? That depends on your goals. If you're just starting out, a mobile wallet is probably the best first step. Apps like Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, or MetaMask are simple to download, easy to set up, and let you send and receive crypto in minutes. If you're investing a larger amount, say over $1,000, and plan to hold it for a while, then a hardware wallet is worth it. Devices like the Ledger Nano X or Trezor Model 1 are affordable, secure, and widely trusted. You can store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of other coins all in one secure, offline device. Some people use both, a hot wallet for quick access, and a cold wallet for long-term storage. It's a smart mix. Use the hot wallet for convenience and small balances. Use the cold wallet like a digital safe. Another thing to consider is what coins you want to hold. Some wallets only support Bitcoin. Others support Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. Some, like Trust Wallet, support hundreds of coins across dozens of blockchains. Make sure the wallet you pick works with the tokens you plan to own. If you're getting into NFTs or decentralized finance, or DeFi, you'll likely want a wallet that can connect to dApps. Wallets like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet are perfect for this. You can connect them to sites like Uniswap, Aave, or OpenSea and interact with DeFi protocols directly. Just be careful when clicking links. Always double-check the URL. Fake sites are one of the most common ways beginners get scammed. Some people ask, what about leaving my crypto on the exchange? It's fine for beginners or active traders, but it's not ideal long-term. You're relying entirely on the platform to stay up, stay honest, and stay solvent. When FTX collapsed, thousands of users lost access to their funds overnight. Don't let that be you. When you control your wallet, you control your future. You don't have to be a tech expert. You just need to take security seriously. Write down your recovery phrase and never upload it online. Turn on two-factor authentication where possible. Use secure passwords. And don't keep everything in one place. Let's quickly review some popular wallet options for different needs. For general beginners, Trust Wallet or Coinbase Wallet are both great mobile choices. If you want to explore DeFi and Web3, go with MetaMask. It's widely supported and customizable. For long-term storage, go with a Ledger or Trezor device. Cold, secure, and proven. If you're a Bitcoin-only investor, check out Blue Wallet or Electrum. These are built specifically for Bitcoin and give you more control over fees, privacy, and backups. Wallets don't just store crypto, they represent freedom. Owning a wallet means you're stepping outside the old banking system. You're becoming your own bank. But that also means taking on the responsibility. Crypto gives you power, but it's up to you to protect it. No one can freeze your funds. But no one can help you if you're careless. Pick a wallet that suits your needs. Set it up carefully. Secure it properly. And once you've done that, you're ready to explore the full world of digital finance. Thanks for watching CryptoPulse. We hope this made wallets make sense. If it did, give us a like, share it with someone new, and subscribe for more crypto education that keeps things simple, safe, and smart. Next up, check out our guides on buying crypto, earning with crypto, and understanding DeFi. We simplify crypto so you can invest with confidence.